Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it right now. Bitcoin to $38,435. Moving sideways today, not much action, pumping up, pumping down. We could see that we are now in this beautiful falling wedge here. Again, the probabilities to this falling wedge, are that we break up towards the upside. But again, let me remind you, we are in a bigger pattern than that. We are in a very bearish pattern right here, a bear flag, right here. And the probabilities of this bear flag is that we break towards the downside. But this doesn't mean that we can't get another pop towards the upside, and then potentially after that we start to roll over and starts to come down. Again, this is coming in line with the FOMC meeting that is tomorrow, right? The Federal Open Market Committee, which will have a strong impact on the traditional markets, which in turn will have a strong impact on the crypto markets as well. So if you see the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones start to rally, then you're going to see the Bitcoin price start to rally as well. Potentially maybe we go back up to even 48,000, but we're gonna have to see what happens. We're not gonna get too ahead of ourselves. As we can see right here on BTC TA2 chart, we have a lot of resistance to break up to, right? Even right here on the TA1 chart as well, we can see that we have a significant amount of resistance before we break out towards the upside, to that $48,000 level. Now, first of all, big congratulations once again to the Discord Gold members. Today, making a nice 52% on our AVAX trade, which we're going to cover right here, right now. We could take a look right here. On our AVAX trade, we caught this beautiful bounce right here from around the $56 levels, rode it up to 61, and we took our profits exactly there. Now the price is starting to come back down to $60. Again, who knows what's going to happen? Maybe we go back up to 74, but again, locking in those gains, guaranteeing those profits. And again, we don't guarantee profits, but we do our best. And right now, so far, we started with $2,000 in our trading account, and our percentage gain so far is 70%, and we're now at 3,400. So if you guys were to join and you keep saying it's too expensive, even if you start with 1,000, you would have a 70% gain. From joining from the beginning, you'd have $700, and you would have made your entire yearly fee for the Crypto Wiki Discord back. I'm going to show you guys in just a few moments some of the gains and how it looks, because people keep asking me, they want a free trial, they want to see how it looks like. Well, I'm going to show you now. Okay, there you go. For those of you, those nosy Nellies who keep asking to see those trades, there you go. This is how the trades are posted. They're in the crypto trades when you join. You can see usually sometimes I'll post my trade setup. Basically, I post when I open my positions, my entries, my recommended amount of the portfolio, and the gains as well, right? So if you guys want to see these, you guys can join in the Discord. All right, moving on. Let's get back to our analysis. Okay, so Bitcoin on the market side for weekly time frame still got that 18 and a -4. Again, a nice pump towards the upside might reduce this significantly, maybe back to a 10 and then -1, or even some positive numbers there. But on the daily time frame, looking quite good at the moment. We have a 14 and a -3, but we have yet to see any push towards the upside. Again, right now Bitcoin is looking like it might get a nice pump towards the upside as this falling wedge. The likelihood is that it does break up towards the upside, but we still have to get past $40,478. Let's put some nice price markers there for you guys. So 40,700 or 40,600, depending on where our touch point is. We might get a break above this, retest it, and then keep on going. But again, the top of this wedge is around 42,700, so maybe you might see Bitcoin go as high as there, and then we will start to reverse down. Again, we're not out of the woods. You want to take a look at the bigger picture, which is where the economy is right now, where the stock market is right now. The stock market has been bleeding consistently. You see all these tech stocks getting absolutely pummeled, except for today, getting a nice pump towards the upside. A lot of these stocks, are due for a relief rally, but it doesn't mean that's exactly what's going to happen. As you can see, Teladoc was down over, let's take a look. Let's take our measured move here. Again, we measure all the way down here, right? From $56, that it's down 81% from its highs. But look at that. It can go lower, right? Now it's down over, let's measure it one more time, 87%, right? Another big move there. Again, this drop right here was a massive move on Teledog, down over 40%. So quite unfortunate there. But right now, you know, we're trading crypto and our crypto trades are doing extremely well. Very proud of everyone in this Discord. Again, I don't recommend you guys going all in on my trades. Like I said many times before, I was going to be wrong. And we broke our winning streak today, and I was wrong yesterday thinking Solana was actually going to break up, right? Following, you know, I saw Ethereum breaking towards the upside, breaking back into this channel. Oh, yeah, I saw some wicks up, and then I said, maybe Solana is going to break this major trend line right here. Where is Solana? There we go, right there, Solana right here. And I was taking a look at it. I thought, oh, Solana might, you know, it's fighting to get back up there. But if Solana does come down, we still have some support around $81, which I'll probably maybe, you know, we'll take a look to see maybe if we're gonna put some buy orders there. Maybe we'll start to form a W pattern and a bounce towards the upside, but we're gonna have to see. Again, this was a major trend line. Decided to close my position small, 1.6% loss, but a loss nevertheless. Again, everything has been recorded in the Crypto Profit Loss History, which is on my website. You guys can feel free to check it out whenever you want. Again, a big thank you to everyone. We're at 9,572 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, we're gonna do that $1,000 giveaway, not 10,000. We will do a $10,000 giveaway eventually, but that's further down the road. We never know where this is going to take us. Now let's do something we don't do often enough. We could take a look at the hash ribbons, and the hash ribbons right now on Bitcoin are actually expanding. So this is quite nice to see. Hash ribbons making a new all-time high, more Bitcoin mining. So maybe we will see a pump towards the upside. Right, things are favoring a pump towards the upside, but again, you know, in my opinion, I still think we need that big flush in the market. I think Bitcoin needs to correct significantly, go towards the downside, flush out all the scams. Again, if you guys don't know and you are in the crypto world, there are a significant amount of scams in the market right now. Too many shit coins, over 19,000 coins. When markets crash, it tends to flush out all those coins out of the market. They all go to zero, they get delisted, and then, you know, you could start off from the beginning and a fresh start, you know, a cycle restart. But we'll see what happens. In my opinion, I think we are going to break towards the upside. I am not always right. I could be wrong about this. It's not 100%, but it looks like we might break towards the upside depending on what the Fed says. If the Fed says they're going to loosen up on the interest rate hikes, they see inflation coming down, even though we know it's not going to be coming down anytime soon, then yes, you're going to see the Bitcoin price break up as the Nasdaq breaks up towards the upside, the Dow Jones, the S&P all start to rally. But if you see the Fed say inflation is a much bigger issue than we anticipated, we are going to have to accelerate the pace of the rate hikes, go from 50 basis points to 75 basis points every meeting, to maybe 1% every meeting, until, you know, the entire market crashes, and then they completely stop the rate hikes and go back to quantitative easing like they've always done. When the market tanked in 2018, that was the last rate hike that they put in, and after that it went back to quantitative easing, and then drop interest rates back all the way to zero. And you can see that in the bond market as well. You know, bond yields today, the 10-year bond reached 3%. Again, if we get over this hoop right here, this line, what am I saying? This line on the bond yields, I think the bond market might start to implode, but we're gonna have to see what happens. You know, bond prices are down over 10% since the beginning of the year after this giant rally in bond yields. But we'll see what happens. Patience is key. We're not going to rush anything. Anyways, guys, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for supporting me so much. We're at 9,500 subscribers. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Links in the description.